there we go. It's turned on. You want to see these are the ratings here. And what's the melting temperature of copper? Let me look it up real quick. Is it hot yet? Oh, no, it's not hot yet. Just kidding. What temperature does copper melt at Celsius? We're on a professional outfit here. Oh, we're good. We got 15 degrees to spare. 15 degrees to spare. This one goes up to 1100 Celsius. We'll see. All right. Stuff you down in there. Get in there. Get in there. Who do you think you are? Ooh, it's getting a little warm. It's burning me. It's definitely a little bit warmer.
You think that's what it's supposed to do? Yeah.
Maybe. All right, we're gonna put a little bit of boric acid in it. I'm gonna kind of boil it up in. I think it's boric acid. I'm pretty sure. Either that.
It is today.
Either that or I'm gonna have some very angry people at me. If you hear a loud knock and a bunch of guns, you'll know what it is. All right, now it's like fishing. We wait. This is gonna take a while.
This is where we'll time lapse.
You know what I mean? I can see the flavor dance, the splits, a little bit of hip hop here. We just lost all our subscribers. Yup. I don't know. No, it's literally gonna take about 45 minutes. We might as well just stop there.
Alright, we're good.
All right.
What temperature are we at?
We're at hot. Let's see. Let's see if I can shove it down in there. It's still not melted yet. I think it's getting there. I think we still need to give it a little bit.
Probably should have stuck them in the bottom.
Yeah. Once it starts going down to the bottom, it'll be good. We didn't measure it out to see how much weight we had.
Too late now.
We'll figure it out. Yeah, I'm not doing it now. That's for sure. That is good and hot. It's starting to flow some. I gotta hook that down in there. That last little piece is trying. We'll let it go for just a little longer. We'll start to get this crucible ready to go. Okay, you want to spray with a little bit of this oil. And kind of wipe it clean. Then it's time to heat her up. Put her right over that hole. I gotta get it good and hot.
You're gonna need a couple of crucibles to pour down. A mold.
I don't know. It holds 10 ounces. You think? Think it'll hold more than one?
I don't know. I don't think.
Yeah, we'll try. We'll be ready. That'll make one small one, one big one. I don't think there's 10 ounces there. But copper, does copper weigh more than silver or less? Because gold weighs almost twice as much as silver.
You have to Google that one.
See, the urge to just casually grab something is always there. And you don't want to do that. Oh, it looks, yeah, it's, oh yeah, it's pretty close to being ready to pour. Can you see it in there?
Yeah.
All right, let me warm this thing. Let me warm these up. Get on there. Nothing good The urge to grab stuff when it's hot is real. It's like, oh, it's falling, let me grab it. Yarp. My mom one time was making pralines. And it just looked so good. She stuck her finger in there and it's like hot nylon. I think that one's good and hot enough. I think we're about ready to pour this thing. Thank goodness I have shorts on. That was a good decision. Could have gone either way. All right, I think it's time to pour it. And one of these things is once you start pouring, you want it to go smooth. You don't stop pouring. All right, this Crucible is good and hot. If you're wondering, do you feel the heat coming off that thing?
Oh, yeah.
Oof, I can feel it all the way over here. It's actually burning my hand. It's burning my hand. This thing is just too hot. Ooh, I need to put a glove on. I'm gonna put a glove on to do the second one. Yikes, man. I started to panic a little bit there. That was getting good and hot. All right, let's do the next one. I'm interested. I can't wait to dump this out of here. All right, I think we can turn this thing off now. This is more of a wintertime sport. Let's see how much is left in there. Man, there's some heat coming off that thing. It is so much hotter than when I do the silver. Yeah, we got most of it out of there. All right, good enough. Let's close that and let it. All right, let's flip one of these out and see what it looks like. And then we're gonna throw it in a bath. Get out of there. Looks pretty good, man.
That's neat.
Yeah, I'm feeling it. That one, not so much. But that's okay. Our goal was to get one good one out of it. We certainly did. But I think I could have got it all in the tin. If it didn't start burning my hand, I could have got it all in that one. All right, get ready to listen to this thing fizzle. Can I get you to hold that for me?
Mm-hmm.
That's good and toxic stuff coming off there. Don't breathe. Let me put the other one in there. Stand right on the deck. Whew. That copper, the melting rate on copper is definitely hotter than silver. Did it die on us?
No, I just did this 5 thing. I don't know if
That's
it's
okay,
been-
we're about done anyway.
I don't know if it's just
Look at this puppy. Look at you, my friend. Yeah, there you go. Clean you off. Let's get the other one out of there. Whew, I couldn't believe how hot that was coming out of there.
Yeah, it was pretty hot.
I've done a lot of silver, and the silver's it's just not the same. I mean, it's not as hot as that. Where are you? There you are. We're gonna buff these puppies out. Where'd you go? Get over here. Look at that. That's a pretty good looking bar, huh? Watch out, that thing is good and hot. take about 5 minutes to rumble. These are probably. Smudge that off in just a second. Pretty cool bars, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Allie will like this thing.